Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey north on US-11, beginning in unincorporated Loudon County, Tennessee at mile 93. We enter Lenoir City, and US-11 becomes Broadway Street. In the distant past, the area known as Lenoir City was called Waginsi by the historic Cherokee people. They believed that a large serpent in the area brought bad luck to those who saw it. In the early 19th century, Judge David Campbell, an East Tennessee pioneer, settled in the region and built a log cabin and a grist mill. At the same time, General William Lenoir received a 5,000-acre land grant from North Carolina as a reward for his service in the American Revolutionary War. However, there was a dispute over the land claims between David Campbell, another settler named Alexander Outlaw, and General Lenoir, which was ultimately settled in Lenoir's favor in 1809. Following the settlement, General Lenoir passed the land on to his son, William Ballard Lenoir, who established a large plantation in 1810. This plantation included various activities such as raising Berkshire hogs for hams, operating a sawmill, and a flour mill. In the early 1830s, Lenoir built the Lenoir Cotton Mill, one of the earliest in the South, along Town Creek, a tributary of the Tennessee River. After General Lenoir's passing, his estate was divided among his children, and his sons formed the William Lenoir and Brothers Company to manage the family's businesses. When the railroad reached the Lenoir plantation in 1855, a depot was constructed, leading to the development of Lenoir Station. In the late 1880s, a thriving coal mining industry in the region and investment from the Northeast and Knoxville Railroad resulted in the establishment of several company towns to support coal mining. In 1889, Charles McClung McGee and Edward J. Sanford formed the Lenoir City Company, believing that the Lenoir plantation was an ideal location for such a town. The company purchased the Lenoir estate and laid out Lenoir City in a grid pattern, with designated areas for different residents and industries. They also set aside lots for public parks and a garden area. Despite initial financial difficulties in the early 1890s, the Lenoir City Company persevered. Factories were established, providing employment opportunities and federal government projects during the Great Depression, such as the construction of Fort Loudon Dam and regional infrastructure improvements by the Tennessee Valley Authority boosted the local economy. In the 1950s and 1960s, the construction of I-75 and I-40 intersecting near Lenoir City further contributed to its growth. In recent years, there have been developments like Creekwood Park, a new community center called The Venue, and commercial projects such as the market at Town Creek. Additionally, the city saw its first female city councilwoman, Jennifer Wampler, appointed to complete her late husband's term in 2016. Today, Lenoir City has a population of 10,117. We pass through a junction with US Highway 321 as well as Tennessee State Routes 73 and 95. This isn't the last time we'll encounter US 321 in this series. Here, US-11 makes a right turn onto Kingston Pike, and we begin a concurrency with US Highway 70 East and Tennessee State Route 1. We conclude today's video at mile 102. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.